Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's gonna be a spring birthday basket. Now this basket is so beautiful. The color just is amazing. I picked it up at the Dollar Tree. It was only $1 and I already added tissue in there, you guys. The first thing that I will be adding is this cute, adorable two-piece PJ that I found at a Walmart. And I couldn't believe that I found it at Walmart. Look how adorable it is. I'm in love with the little black polka dots and I couldn't believe that I found this at Walmart. You guys, I never buy clothing there. And it is an 18 months and this is going to be for my godchild. So look at how cute this adorable two-piece PJ is. I thought it was so cute when I found it. I couldn't believe the price on it. It is $4.97. You guys, this is not only cute, this is way affordable. So yeah, I couldn't believe it. So I'm loving Walmart lately for all their prices, all their clothing, all their items. It's just amazing. So that's the first thing that I found from there. And after that, I was just looking around and I found a ton of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and link the video down below to come with me and also the haul at Walmart so you can go ahead and check it out and just get a full detail of everything. So go ahead and add tissue. I picked up the tissue at the Dollar Tree. You can also pick it up on Amazon. It's really up to you. Add as much as you want onto there. And you guys, the basket came out very beautiful. Let me tell you, go ahead. If you need a basket, go to the Dollar Tree. They carry them in every size, every color you can think of, every shape. They have different shapes. And this one was a big basket. It may not look big, but it was massive. And the way I wanted it was so the clothing would fit really nice in there. And it actually did. Now, the first piece I am adding is this two-piece adorable cute summer spring outfit. Check out that bow on there. It is so cute, you guys. And the brand is called, I think it's called Child of Mine. And look at how cute it is. I am loving this color. Yeah, it's called Child of Mine and it is an 18 months and it was $7.94. Now I thought that was really affordable, you guys. 18 months, $7.94. And I thought that was super affordable. And you guys, that outfit is so cute. Like that is a summer spring outfit. The next outfit that I picked up, I went to Target as well. And I picked up her little Easter dress, you guys. Look at how cute this color is. I am loving this outfit. I love the fact that it looks, the bottom skirt is like a tutu. You know, it's so cute. And this was $11.99 and it was an 18 months and the brand is Cat and Jack. You guys, this dress is so cute. The belt in the middle is so glittery. And I was so happy that I found a sweater to go with it. And it's the same brand, Cat and Jack. Look at how adorable this is. The colors on it are amazing. And this was $12. So that was pretty good. I was happy that it matched. And I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. I'm going to go ahead and add the sweater onto the dress just so it's on there already. And she has the whole outfit ready for Easter if she wants to or her birthday, whatever she wants. But look at how cute it looks with this little cardigan sweater on it. Like it is adorable. I'm going to go ahead and button this up. The buttons on there are clear. So I thought that was really pretty and the outfit really shines. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the opposite side inside the basket where I have the other piece. Just on the opposite side. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the hangers on there, you guys. Just so it holds the whole outfit up. And it actually does. Look at that. So go ahead and leave the hangers on there. Who cares if it looks a little weird? At least, you know, it holds everything up and everything looks cute. And she can actually go ahead and hang this up when she's done unpacking it. So both outfits are 18 months. The next outfit that I picked up was this cute, adorable strawberry outfit. I'm going to go ahead and add the PJ in there really quick. Just add it like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out the next outfit. It is $7.94 and it is 18 months and it is from the same brand, Child of Mine. And I picked this one up at Walmart. I fell in love with the little shorts. It is so cute. It has little strawberries everywhere. It has an adorable little bow on the back and it says so sweet. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this on the back of the basket just so it could stand up really nice. And look at how cute that stands up already. I think that is very adorable, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place everything around, move everything just how I like it, like I always do, until I get the basket the way I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and push the camera up a little bit so you guys get a full view of everything. But look at how adorable this basket is already turning out. I am so happy with it, you guys. She's going to love it. And I love the fact that I was able to fit in clothing in here, because sometimes you cannot. The next thing I found were these diapers. They're ready on the go. They're a 4-pack. They're a size 4 and it's a 3-pack. I'm sorry. And these diapers were originally $3.99. And I picked them up for $2 on clearance. And then when I went to go pay, they were $1. So that was a great savings, let me tell you. So I took 2 of them. You can just throw this in your purse, just throw it in your backpack in case an emergency, run out of the house if you're going somewhere. And yeah, you have your little diapers ready. And they are from the Pampers brand, and they're the Pure. So I thought these were really cute to take along. And then I went and got some baby wipes, and they're also Pampers, and they're sensitive. So they're an amazing brand. And I picked these up at Target as well as the Pampers, and they were on sale as well. You guys, look at how cute this is. Now the whole theme is going together. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the vibe. I'm just going to go ahead and move everything around like always and make sure that I have it just the way I love it. And I'm just moving stuff around and just placing stuff around, making sure I could see everything, and everything is seeable. So go ahead and make your basket. Just add a little bit of goodies, move everything around. The next thing I'm adding is this little small plush doll, which I thought was so cute, you guys. I picked this up in the Valentine's after sale. So it was super cheap, let me tell you. It was like 50 cents. But look at how adorable it is. It's going to go right in the middle of the basket, and it's going to be my little wow factor. Look at how cute that is. Now she can play with it. She can throw it. She can chew it. She can do whatever she wants with it. And it is so adorable, you guys. This just made my basket come together. I thought this was a great idea. I'm going to go ahead and add some more tissue, because I do want the baby wipes just to pop a little bit, because I thought they were like sinking all the way in. So I decided to go ahead and add some tissue, and just hopefully it comes up a little more. And it actually does. Look at how cute that is. Now make sure you have your bags. I always pick mine up at the dollar store. Make sure you have your ribbon. I always pick it up at the dollar store as well. Make sure you have your scissors, and just move everything around until you have it just the way you like it, you guys. Move everything around until you are super happy with the whole basket like me. And once you're happy, you could do the final steps. But yeah, I'm really happy that I went to the Dollar Tree that day and I found this basket, because I didn't have any more baskets. Let me tell you, I already used all the baskets that I picked up last year on clearance. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same this year. Hopefully I make it to go get some more baskets and just put them away. If you find a great deal on something, you guys, go ahead and buy a ton of them. Just put it away. And when you're ready to use it, you guys, you will see that you saved a lot of money. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link the link down below. It's DIY with Susie, you guys. So yeah, go ahead and comment if you have any great ideas, any great tips for me. Leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Sometimes I'm super busy, but I always try to get back to everybody, and I make sure I answer everybody. And yeah, make sure you have some tape, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and tape the bottom together. I always do the same step. I grab a little bit of tape. I tape the edges together just so my basket looks nicer and fitted. That's just how I like it. You can go ahead and leave it like that if you choose to. But one of my favorite tricks and tip is to tape the bottom together to the back. Look at how fitted that looks. Look at the one side compared to the other. You guys, that's an amazing trick right there. And I learned that like way towards the end of making all my baskets. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you so you can go ahead and do it. And look at how cute that's going to come out. Now make sure you have your ribbon. I always pick up my ribbon at the Dollar Tree. They have some fabulous colors there. Pick it up there and make sure you measure enough just so you have enough to make a cute bow that comes all the way down. You guys, I love the bows when it's big, when it's huge, when it's hanging. That's the best kind of bows you can have in a basket. So that's exactly what I do. So all I'm going to do is grab the top and I'm going to close it and make a bow. Now make sure when you grab the top that you don't have a lot of the top. If you do, go ahead and grab your scissors and cut a third off, you guys. Because if you have a ton of it at the top, it weighs down your basket, especially if you don't have a gift card. So you don't want your basket to weigh down. So you go ahead and cut some of the top off and then make your bow. And then it's going to come out so pretty, you guys. I'm just going to make a simple bow right here and just tie it as tight as I can. And look at how cute that is. Go ahead and make your bow. Make sure you have enough for it to hang. And it's going to hang nice and pretty. And look at how cute that is, you guys. I'm sure she's going to love it. And so is my sister. And yeah, hopefully my godchild likes it too. Look at how adorable. And it's a big basket. Let me tell you, it's massive. And I hope you make your own. And if you do, let me know. And until next time, bye, you guys.